What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's Osagie-Erese. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing the Royal TV 32 inches. It's a smart TV. So yes, another unboxing. But before we get into the unboxing, I just want to announce something. Right now, I'm going to be doing a 30-day challenge. So I'm going to be uploading a video starting from this one for 30 days. So today, July 19th, is going to be ending August 17th. So be expecting videos every single day until August 17th, and I hope I can actually keep this up. So hope you guys will be down for this challenge. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and to the unboxing. Okay, we're back again with another unboxing video. Yes, and I'm with my sister again. She likes unboxing stuff, so just anytime we're going to unbox anything, just know you might see her in the video. Not her, but you might see her hands. So anyway, this is me trying to open the carton because yeah, the carton, you know how cartons are. So I'm basically trying to open the carton and she does not want me to cut her, so she's moving. You can see the way the scissors is. So yeah, and finally I was able to open the carton to bring the TV out, and this is me now trying. You can see both of us trying to get the TV out. So it's covered in foam, like both sides of the TV were wrapped in foam, so we had to, things were falling out, but either way we had to remove the TV out safely. So that is the TV in between those two white foam, is it foam or whatever they call these things? Yeah, TV is in between. So we open the TV. You can see my sister is trying to open it to the TV, and I'm just picking what fell on the floor. So yeah, I'm opening the TV now. We're opening the TV, and the TV is actually not heavy, to be honest. It's pretty light. So we remove this light down so we can open the TV well. Remove the first one, guy. This is me trying to know where I'll put it. So I'll just keep it there. Just keep it on the floor. Anywhere it can go. Then move it. Now this is the TV. It's a 32-inch smart TV. I know I mentioned that at the beginning of the video, but just for you to know. So yes, get rid of this white one. Just keep it on the floor. Keep it on the floor. Keep it anywhere. And now this is the Royal 32-inch smart TV. This is it. And I'll be back after we mount it to show you how the TV looks and everything like that. Just a little bit of celebration after successfully unboxing the TV. So yeah, and yeah, that is like it for this part of the video. Keep on watching to see the beauty. So yes, that was the unboxing, guys. It was quick, fast, because it's an unboxing. If you want me to talk about the TV more, leave that in the comments. Make sure you like this video, share, subscribe, and yes, day one, let's go. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.